Attractive habits that make women beg for your attention. Attracting genuine attention from women is not about being flashy or trying too hard. Instead, it's about cultivating habits that highlight your best qualities and authentic personality. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into 7 attractive habits that can make women crave your attention, offering practical tips and deep insights into why these habits are effective. Number 1. Confidence without arrogance. Why it works. Confidence is universally attractive because it signals that you are comfortable with yourself and capable of handling life's challenges. However, it's important to strike a balance. Confidence should never cross into arrogance, as the latter can be off-putting. How to cultivate it. Self-awareness. Confidence starts with understanding your strengths and weaknesses. Self-awareness involves recognizing your capabilities and limitations, which helps build genuine self-assurance. Engage in introspective practices such as journaling or meditation to enhance your self-awareness. Body language. Your posture and gestures play a crucial role in how others perceive your confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Avoid crossing your arms or slouching, as these can signal insecurity. Positive mindset. A positive outlook reinforces confidence. Focus on your achievements and learn from your failures. Celebrate your successes and view setbacks as opportunities for growth. Surround yourself with positive influences and practice gratitude to maintain a positive mindset. Number 2. Active listening. Why it works. Active listening demonstrates that you value what the other person has to say. It builds a deeper connection and makes her feel understood and appreciated, which is a powerful attractant. How to cultivate it. Pay attention. Eliminate distractions when she's talking. Put away your phone, avoid looking around, and focus on her. Show her that she has your undivided attention. Reflect and clarify. Paraphrase what she says to show you understand and ask questions to deepen the conversation. This not only demonstrates that you're listening, but also encourages her to share more. Non-verbal cues. Use nods, smiles, and maintain eye contact to show engagement. Leaning slightly forward can also indicate interest. Non-verbal cues are crucial in signaling that you are actively involved in the conversation. Number 3. Ambition and drive. Why it works. Women are often attracted to men with goals and the drive to achieve them. Ambition signifies that you are motivated and have a purpose in life, which can be incredibly appealing. How to cultivate it. Set goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve in both your personal and professional life. Break down these goals into smaller, actionable steps to make them more manageable. Stay committed. Consistently work towards your goals. Show persistence and dedication, even when faced with obstacles. Your commitment to your ambitions is a testament to your character and determination. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress helps maintain motivation and demonstrates that you are moving forward. Number 4. Humor and positivity. Why it works. A good sense of humor can lighten any situation and make you more approachable. Positivity attracts people and creates a pleasant atmosphere around you, making you more enjoyable to be around. How to cultivate it. Find joy in small things. Look for reasons to smile and laugh in everyday situations. Find humor in the mundane and learn to see the lighter side of life. Share positive stories. Spread positivity by sharing uplifting stories and experiences. Positivity is contagious and can improve the mood of those around you. Learn to laugh at yourself. Don't take yourself too seriously. Being able to laugh at your own mistakes shows humility and resilience, which are attractive traits. Number 5. Authentic body language. Why it works. Your body language communicates your true feelings and intentions. Authenticity in your gestures and expressions can make you more relatable and trustworthy. How to cultivate it. Be genuine. Authenticity in body language means letting your gestures and expressions come naturally. Avoid forced smiles or exaggerated movements. Smile sincerely. A genuine smile can be incredibly attractive and disarming. It signals warmth and approachability. Maintain open posture. Avoid crossing your arms or legs. Keep your body open and relaxed to invite interaction. An open posture indicates that you are approachable and open to communication. Number 6. Emotional intelligence. Why it works. Emotional intelligence, EQ, allows you to understand and manage your emotions and those of others. High EQ is linked to better relationships and communication, making it a key component in attracting and maintaining attention. How to cultivate it. Practice empathy. Try to understand things from her perspective. Acknowledge her feelings and respond thoughtfully. Empathy involves active listening and genuine concern for her emotions. Manage stress. Develop techniques to stay calm and composed under pressure. Whether it's through mindfulness, deep breathing, or physical exercise, managing stress effectively can improve your overall EQ. Communicate effectively. Express your feelings clearly and listen to her responses. Effective communication involves not only speaking, but also understanding and responding appropriately to her emotions and concerns. Number 7. Kindness and respect. Why it works. Kindness and respect are fundamental to building strong, lasting relationships. They show that you value others and are considerate of their feelings, which can make you incredibly attractive. How to cultivate it. Small acts of kindness. Offer help, give compliments, and show appreciation regularly. Acts of kindness can be simple but powerful in building positive connections. Respect boundaries. Understand and respect her personal space and boundaries. Being respectful of her limits demonstrates maturity and consideration. Be polite and considerate. Good manners and thoughtfulness go a long way in making a positive impression. Simple acts like holding the door open or saying please and thank you can make you stand out.